Good morning, traders. Richard here doing quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the S&P 500 Index. Great little support coming in there at the market. If we're going to look at the weekly Ichimoku, we can see they're desperately fighting for support to regain the bottom end cloud chart support level there. Now, it's absolutely vital for the market to stay above this bottom end cloud chart zone. Any price action below here is overall bearish. Any price action above the cloud is bullish. Front end of the cloud indicating that we might still see a much larger correction coming, but as long as price action stays above the bottom end of the cloud, the rally on the weekly should be okay. Now, technically speaking, we did have a sell signal in this cluster of cloud chart price action here. So the long-term sell signal on the weekly remains in place. We've not yet had a buy signal on the weekly. But any kind of trades now would be swing trades. So there's a swing trade opportunity from this support zone back up to the bottom end of the cloud, as well as this front end cloud chart resistance zone. So those are the trading ranges. A rebound from this level, if support holds, back up to the top end of the cloud, yeah, that resistance zone there. So that is kind of the trade setup there. If we look at the monthly, you can see how extended the market is. We've got front end cloud chart support level there just above 4,000, with another bottom end cloud chart support level here at 3,500. So we can see that there's a MACD sell on the monthly, and we can expect a much larger correction going on in the market. Since price action is very extended from the top end of the cloud, we just need to see the quarterly chart to see how extended this market is compared to the 2000 bubble, and then obviously the yearly chart shows you practically vertical price action, which invariably will correct. But back to the daily to see where we see support on the daily chart. Now, this support zone here comes from this top end cloud chart. You can see there the market's desperately fighting for support at this cluster of cloud chart support zones. You can see the bottom end of the old cloud chart level there, so it's stuck within that support zone between 4,148 and 4,045, so it got very close to that area. Now we can get a technical rebound from these levels back up to the bottom end of the cloud, and the levels to watch out for that is this is a new resistance zone, 4,312, as well as the top end of the cloud there. That's the other resistance zone. These are the two major upside targets in this swing trade. But remember, price action below the cloud is bearish. So the last major sell signal in the S&P was right up here at 4,600. So and also these cloud crosses were also kind of major sell signals. But short-term swing trades from these support zones back up to the bottom end of the cloud on the daily. If we look at the 4-hour chart, just refresh the data there. You can see there price action, support zones here on the 4-hour, and swing trade opportunity back up to the bottom end of the cloud. So these are the upside targets. But do remember, now we are trading counter trend because price action below the cloud is bearish from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. Turning to the hourly one, which is a little bit very high frequency short term. You can see there fantastic rebound there on that support zones there, very close to the 4045 zone. And if we scroll back, you see that zone, that low, the 24th of February, also became a support zone to look out for. So the upside potential here is back to the bottom end cloud chart resistance zone, and the hourly ones to watch out for is this zone here. 4338 is the upside resistance targets for the current rally on the hourly. But you can also see huge sell signal there, another buy, another sell signal there. So there are plenty of swing trade opportunities. But the biggest thing here is really, will we get a sustained rebound rally from this Ichimoku cloud support zone on the weekly? But watch out for that. We're not out the woods yet, but the market is suffering from indigestions because it's very extended, and do expect further downside. But there are shorter term swing trade opportunities to the upside of the cloud chart resistance zones. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.